Snake! Yes, it's snake. A very big snake. Snake. If I did not save you, that snake would have bite you. Come, don't go and look now. Why are you like this? You want to go and look the snake? Do you know if it's an anaconda? Stand well, oh, this is grass. Listen, calm down. I know that the snake is after you now. And you are not safe. So you know. Then this is what happened.
Okay.
Have you seen dollars before?
Dollars? Dollars? I didn't see dollars, but later see before.
See, I mean, smell her. You like her?
Thank you.
Come face, no go now. Snake there outside.
Okay.
You don't forget. Come, collect another $. See, this money can change your life. I'm not a mad person. I disguise a lot. So, see, what's in
You get this kind of money?
Yes, I get money well. See, I get this money plenty. This one is just small. Plenty like this for house. If you just come reach my house, I'll give you more. So this is what I want you to do for me. Come. Let's just enter. At least give me one.
No.
Come now. Collect more $. Collect more. In fact, if you do it, I'm going to give you everything.
Calm down, face, but I just call because you don't save me. So yeah, give me now.
Yeah, now let me do it.
So great, I like it.
You like him? You sweet. You don't go look snake now. You won't go look snake. Calm down, face. Pause. Jesus. God have mercy. Oh yeah, now the snake don't go. Come, don't go. Go now. Hey, snake! Snake!
No, I dey act mad. I no dey
Nah,
mad.
like, you know, act any mad. You know, you that you be mad. You know, for act anything. Not for real, you dey act mad.
Okay.
What TV not you?
I swear to God. You gotta eat shit, bro. Make your face look this side.
Look now,
Man, no, that's fine.
Woman, no. Rolling and Aggie, go now. Rolling and
There we go.